No, I lost the hydraulics. Why the fuck am I so unlucky? No, come on. I am stupid. I am stupid. No! Problem, exit. No! The girl got this. I did a shit job, that's it. I am fucking stupid. Fuck!
P4.
Fuck! What happened?
Are you okay?
Yeah, was a big crash.